Hello everyone. So yesterday my friend asked me, how do you make a flat circle? To which I answered, you just have to single crochet 12 into the magic ring instead of 6, because when you single crochet 6 into the magic ring, it makes it just a little bit more pointier. But then I wondered, what is the actual right way to make a flat circle? So I made 4, let me find the fourth one there. I made 4 flat circles and found out that these 2 were the best. But how do you make these 2? Today, that is what we're going to find out. I started out with 2 initial patterns, and there are 2 ways that you can make a flat circle. Obviously, these 2 did better, so you're going to want to stay for these 2. But the way that you can make a flat circle is by single crocheting 12 and then moving on to 18, where you would do one single crochet, 1 increase, and then moving on to 24 when you would do 2 single crochet, 2 increase. Or you can go over here and you can single crochet 12 and you can increase all the way around, and you can do 1 single crochet then increase. You can do it like that, but I found out that's not the best way to make a flat circle. I found out, although it does look better, this one, with double crochets than it does single crochets, but I wanted to do single crochets for this tutorial. And then I asked, because I saw that these 2 were obviously better, I asked, does slip stitching help? At the end of each round, does slip stitching help? So this one was not slip stitching, and it still looks better than this one, which was also not slip stitching. And then this one was slip stitching, which obviously gives it sort of a cleaner look, a more rounder look, because you can see that this one kind of has points. I don't know if you can notice that. And then I also did that with this one, and that didn't help that much. Again, it looks better for this one if you do double crochets, but I did single crochets and these turned out just fine. So let's learn how to make these. For this tutorial, I just decided to use a generic 5.0mm hook where it's not too big, it's not too small, but it did help make these. So I'm going to teach you the slip stitch version because I found that made the best flat circle. So to start out, you're going to start out with a magic ring where you loop it around your fingers, make an X like that, bring your hook, grab the top one, grab the yarn, and pull it through, Lord willing. There we go. And then we're going to single crochet 12 into the round. If you have an amigurumi, by the way, and you're just finding that the head is too pointy, you can skip the first round, move on to the second round, and then just move on. I find that single crocheting 12 makes the head look flatter, and I find that's best. So single crochet 12 into here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then you are going to pull your magic ring shut, just like that. Make sure you still have 12, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. And we're going to slip stitch into that first stitch, just like that. Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to go into the next stitch, which is this one, and we're going to single crochet 1. Then into the next stitch, we are going to do 2 single crochets into that same stitch. After that one, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets. And you're just going to repeat this all the way around until you reach the end, which you don't even need a stitch marker for this one. You can just tell when you reach the end, because you'll notice that kind of chain 1, you'll notice that, and you'll see that it doesn't look right, so you'll go into that stitch. Once you are done with round 2 and you have 18 stitches, we can move on to round 3. For round 3, we're going to slip stitch chain 1, and single crochet 2 into the next 2 stitches. Into the third stitch, we are going to single crochet 2 in the same stitch. In the next 2 stitches, single crochet, stitch after that, increase. We are going to do this all the way around until we should have 24 stitches, and then we can slip stitch at the end. Once you are done with that, you can slip stitch to the next stitch like I did. I'm going to reenact that for you. Go into the next stitch, slip stitch, and then you can cut it and pull it out. I'm not going to because I actually want to save this yarn, but that is basically how you make a flat circle. If you want to, you don't have to slip stitch, but I find that it just made a better circle. I really hope this helped. You can leave a like, you can subscribe if you want to, but I just hope that you have a wonderful day.